Hello everyone, good morning. So in today's session we will see the different data types that we are using in SAP ABAP. Okay, so in this session we will compare all the data types exist and the data objects. So first thing, in how many categories you can define the data types. Okay, ABAP standard data types are divided into two groups. You know this: complete and incomplete. So complete ABAP data types are like date, time, integer 8, integer 4, string, x string, binary string. Okay, why those are complete? Because when you declare data types for this kind of data types, when you declare variables with this kind of data types, you don't need to specify any length or decimal places or anything. Okay, so it automatically or internally it will automatically define the length of these fields. Okay, that is why we call it as a complete data type. Now coming to incomplete data types, the character, numeric, hexadecimal, string, number, packed, those are called as incomplete data types. Why? Because when you declare the characters type C, then you need to specify length. When you declare a numeric data type, then you need to specify length. Okay, when you define decimal, then you need to define length as well as number of decimal places. So that is why we call those numbers as incomplete data types. Okay, these are few samples how you can declare the data types in SAP. So here you can see types. This is a name type of type C, that means this is of type character with length 4. So this tychar1 can only have 4 characters. So with types you are declaring a custom data type with name tychar1. Okay, so when you declare a variable data lvchar2, this is of data type tychar1. Okay, and this is lvchar1, this is variable type C, length 4. And if you declare this data lvchar3 type lvchar, you can see the lvchar is of a variable, it's not a data type. Hence if you uncomment this one, okay, let's uncomment, then check. So you can see this lvchar is unknown because this is not a data type, it is a variable. Okay, you cannot declare a variable type variable, you always have to pass a data type after this keyword type. Okay, now if you check, okay, this is the error, so we are going to comment this one, then check. See, there are no syntax error. So now you must have been know the differences between types and data, right? So till now whatever you see, those are of type local data types. Now coming to global data types. Okay, so what is a global data types? A data type defined in ABAP dictionary is called global data types. And why? Because it can be used throughout the entire SAP system concerned. Okay, so for example, SAP database table. Okay. Okay, for the time being, just remember this transaction code, and this SFlight is a table. So you can see database table, view, data type, type group, domain, search of this. So if you see this display, there is already a table has been defined. Okay, and these are the fields of the table. So you can directly use this table in your program. Okay, let's declare a data type, data table type. See, okay. Char ID. Okay. And every sentence or every statement, after every statement you must end the statement with period. Okay, so now check, activate, execute. See this AA, that is the char ID. Okay, so you have defined this table of type SFlight. SFlight is your database type table, and you are, with this hyphen, you are getting this field char ID for the table. Okay, this table is of type SFlight, hence the table already have all these fields assigned here. Okay, and you are just assigning one field with value AA, and you are displaying. Okay, so this is just to make you understand what is a global data type and how it works. Okay, how you declare a data type. So table is your local variable and SFlight is your global data type. Okay, so how you can use the global data types to create variables in your own program.